No.
Hello guys, good evening. It's already evening in Singapore. Now I'm going to cut my chicken. This is how I cut my chicken. I'm going to cook for this chicken is for tomorrow anyway. Not for today.
Because today we
already
ordered
our-
in.
Yeah, we already eat. So this one is for tomorrow.
This one mommy eat also because she's crazy. She eat the leg all. I don't know why she never eat the
Yeah, I can cook
The eyes and
adobo.
the beak.
the beak will be crispy.
And the feathers. Mommy should eat the feather also.
This one is the
So sorry
This-
guys. This is my first time.
This is
my
my handsome husband. With white hair and black hair, getting older, but it's okay. I just color my hair.
Don't be sarcastic,
Wah,
please.
Sophia. Binubooking na mo naman eh.
Don't be sarcastic, please.
Huwag mong bookingin.
What's that?
This one is the head, neck.
I cannot see lah.
This
You
one
can.
is the neck.
The neck is a nice part.
Chicken
The
rendang
feet isn't.
guys. Tomorrow.
Ooh. Ooh. Mommy, please, I don't want anything to splash on me.
So sorry, this is our first time. My second video. So I hope you all subscribe and don't forget to comment and press the bell. Thank you so much for watching.
And also like
And also like.
and subscribe.
Next time again. I tell already.
You wanna if you all want a tutorial on how my mother cooks chicken rendang, just
Tomorrow I will show
comment down or never mind, you don't have to comment, she already want to show you.
you. Tomorrow I will.
And then I will suffer because I have to video. So poor thing, Sophia. But it's alright.
Okay, bye bye guys.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, guys. For the tutorial. If you all wanna follow her on Instagram, the links will be down below. And also her Facebook.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Please support.
Need your support.
Okay. Bye. Say
More
bye.
videos to come.
Say bye lah.
Bye. Bye bye.
Dirty hands.